In this video, I will be showing you how to create an ebook in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and head straight to the search bar. I'm going to type in ebook and select the ebook template suggestion from the drop-down menu to see what's available. There are so many great designs here, but I'll click on this minimalist time management cover to get a closer look at the preview. It's a nice design, but I'm looking for a full document, so I'll close this and refine my search by typing ebook template with multiple pages. Now I can see templates that include complete layouts for every chapter. I'll scroll through the results until I find one that fits my brand. This peach and brown business document looks perfect, so I'll select it and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, I'll take a moment to scroll through all 10 pages to see how the information is structured. It's a great foundation, but I want to add a custom FAQ page at the end. I'll scroll to the bottom of the document and click Add Page to create a fresh blank canvas. To start designing this new page, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for a square. I'll click to add it to the page, then I'll drag the edges to resize it into a long vertical bar along the left side. I'll duplicate that shape, rotate it 90 degrees, and stretch it across the top of the page to create a header area. Consistency is key, so I'll open the color menu and change the colors of these new shapes to match the existing document's palette. I'll use a nice tan for the header and a lighter neutral tone for the sidebar. Next, I'll add a text box for the title. I'll type in FAQs, increase the font size, and move it into the top header. I'll also change the text color to white so it's easy to read against the background. To make the layout process faster, I'll go back up to one of the previous pages, select a block of body text, and copy it. Then I'll head back down to my new page and paste it. I'll position the text box where I want it and then duplicate it several times to create placeholders for my questions and answers. Now I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for bullet points. I'll find a graphic that matches the style of the ebook, drag it onto the page, and scale it down. I'll place these icons next to each text block to clearly define the list. As I wrap things up, I'll do some final color adjustments on the text boxes to make sure everything looks polished. I'll use the Position tool and the Layers panel to ensure all my elements are perfectly aligned and stacked in the right order. With those final tweaks, my custom FAQ page is finished and fits perfectly with the rest of the ebook.